For centuries, Antarctica stood as an empty expanse on ancient maps, a frozen wasteland at the world's edge, untouched by humanity. Larger than Europe and twice the size of Australia, it holds nearly all of Earth's ice yet remains one of the least explored places on the planet. As technology peeled back its icy curtain, strange discoveries surfaced. Ancient charts showing the continent free of ice, satellite images revealing oddly precise shapes, and rumors of secret research zones and unexplained sightings. Antarctica is more than a land of snow and silence. It's a realm of mystery. This documentary delves into the secrets uncovered on this icy continent, tracing stories handed down through time and exploring what might lie beneath its frozen surface. From ancient legends to modern findings, we'll uncover why this is Earth's most mysterious and restricted landmass. Prepare to explore the tales, weigh the evidence, and decide for yourself what truths this frozen world hides. In 2016, satellite images over the Ellsworth Mountains in Antarctica sparked global curiosity. Amid the endless snow, one peak stood out, a mountain with four sharp, symmetrical faces and a pointed top, eerily similar to Egypt's pyramids. Found in the southern part of this remote range, near the Patriot Hills Research Station, this formation rises over 4,000 feet, clearly visible from above. Geologists suggest this pyramid is a natural wonder, a nunatak shaped by millions of years of wind, frost, and freeze-thaw cycles. Such erosion, common in icy regions, can sculpt stone into sharp, geometric forms, like the Matterhorn in the Alps. Yet, this peak's four-sided symmetry is unusual. Most natural peaks have one or two flat faces, but this one's near-perfect shape stirs debate. Could it be more than a mountain? Some theorists propose it's a relic of an ancient structure, perhaps a pyramid, now buried in ice. This idea gains momentum when compared to ancient pyramids worldwide, Egypt, Mexico, Peru, all with wide bases and cardinal alignments. Could a lost civilization have left its mark here? Similar debates surround Bosnia's alleged pyramids, where hills are claimed to conceal ancient structures. In Antarctica, nearby ridges and snow-covered peaks also hint at symmetrical forms in satellite images, fueling theories of hidden architecture. The continent's inaccessibility deepens the puzzle. Covered by ice over a mile thick, most of Antarctica's surface remains hidden. Harsh weather, remote terrain, and strict regulations make exploration nearly impossible, leaving these formations cloaked in mystery. Advances in satellite technology have revealed more anomalies across Antarctica's surface. Dark, rectangular openings resembling doorways appear carved into cliffs, while patterns mimic man-made stairs. These findings puzzle scientists and spark speculation. In East Antarctica, a large geometric opening stands out against a rocky slope. Its clean lines and shadowed interior suggest a structure, possibly meters wide, large enough for an aircraft. Glaciologists attribute such features to ice movement and wind erosion, creating gaps that appear artificial. Others suggest it's merely a ridge exposed by melting ice. Near Antarctica's southern coast, a cave entrance at a mountain's base reveals another enigma. Parallel, evenly spaced lines rise like a staircase, challenging typical geological explanations. While some propose ancient collapses or uneven melting, the precise design hints at something more complex. These features shift over time, visible one year, buried the next, only to re-emerge with new details after storms or seasonal changes. This fleeting nature keeps the debate alive. Are these natural anomalies or remnants of a hidden past? Antarctica wasn't always a frozen desert. Millions of years ago, it thrived with life, forests, rivers, and ecosystems flourished in a temperate climate. Fossilized trees, pollen, and leaves found near the South Pole reveal a lush, ancient landscape. On Alexander Island, petrified trees stand 7 meters tall, rooted in ancient soil, evidence of a rainforest 100 million years old. Drilling beneath the ice confirms this history. Sediments off the Antarctic Peninsula show tundra as recent as 12 million years ago, before glaciation slowly transformed the continent. This raises a compelling question. Could early humans or pre-human societies have existed here? Mainstream science dismisses this, noting ice sheets formed long before Homo sapiens. Yet, controversial claims persist. A reported find near the Doubleday Glacier described a massive stone structure, with columns and artifacts resembling a Roman amphitheater. Though unverified, such reports fuel speculation about lost civilizations. One of history's most fascinating artifacts is the Pierie Reis map, drawn in 1513 by an Ottoman cartographer. This map depicts South America with remarkable accuracy and includes a southern landmass resembling Antarctica's ice-free coastline. How could 16th century mapmakers know this? Some argue it was compiled from ancient sources, possibly from a seafaring culture that charted the world millennia ago. Historian Charles Hapgood suggested this map reflects Antarctica before its icy cover, perhaps 10,000 years ago. Though dismissed by academics, the map's depiction of a southern continent, Terra Australis, hints at lost knowledge. Modern radar reveals buried valleys and rivers beneath the ice, supporting the idea of a once habitable Antarctica. Beneath Antarctica's ice lie hidden lakes, sealed off for millions of years. Lake Vostok, buried 4,000 meters deep, may harbor life in its lightless depths. In 2012, Russian scientists reached its surface, but contamination halted sampling. Over 400 such lakes exist, linked by subglacial rivers, forming a hidden wetland. Lake Mercer revealed thriving bacteria, while Lake Enigma's microbial mats resemble alien ecosystems. Beneath ice shelves, vibrant marine life, corals, sea spiders, octopuses, survives in darkness, fed by distant currents. These discoveries challenge our understanding of life's limits. In the McMurdo Dry Valleys, a crimson stream flows from Taylor Glacier, known as Blood Falls. This 5-story-high phenomenon looks like a bleeding wound. Formed from an ancient, iron-rich lake trapped beneath the ice, the water oxidizes upon reaching air, creating its vivid hue. Extremophile microbes thrive within, offering clues to life on other planets. Yet, some speculate it's a vent from a hidden structure or a byproduct of secret experiments, adding to Antarctica's allure. Antarctica's isolation breeds eerie tales. The Ningen, a massive humanoid sea creature, is said to haunt its waters, reported by Japanese researchers. The kraken, linked to colossal squid, fuels myths of sea monsters. Explorers like Ernest Shackleton reported ghostly presences, while the tale of the Jenny, a ship frozen in time with its crew preserved, haunts polar lore. Abandoned huts in the dry valleys echo with unexplained noises, attributed to isolation's psychological toll, yet skeptics wonder if more is at play. In 1938, Nazi Germany launched a secretive mission to Antarctica. The MS Schwabenland surveyed Queen Maud Land, claiming it as Neuschwabenland. Officially seeking whale oil, the expedition mapped vast areas. Post-war rumors suggested a hidden base, fueled by the mysterious arrival of German submarines in Argentina in 1945. No evidence supports these claims, but the region remains a scientific hub. In 1946, the U.S. launched Operation Highjump, a massive Antarctic expedition led by Admiral Richard Byrd. With 4,700 men and extensive resources, it mapped millions of square miles, but ended abruptly. Rumors of crashed aircraft and a hidden Nazi base surfaced, alongside tales of Byrd encountering a temperate valley and advanced beings in a subterranean city called Agartha. Though unverified, these stories persist, tied to the hollow Earth theory. Post-World War II UFO sightings sparked theories linking Nazi technology to extraterrestrial contact. Alleged projects like Haunebu and Die Glocke disc-shaped craft fed speculation. Operation Paperclip brought German scientists to the U.S., raising questions about secret technology. Recent satellite images of trails, oval structures, and a carved face in the ice fuel theories of crashed crafts or ancient relics. Those scientists attribute them to natural causes. In 1959, amid Cold War tensions, 12 nations signed the Antarctic Treaty, designating the continent for peace and science. Military activity and territorial claims were banned, and access remains tightly controlled. This secrecy fuels theories of hidden experiments or alien technology. The treaty system, with private meetings and strict regulations, deepens suspicions that Antarctica hides more than ice. Antarctica is a scientific treasure trove, preserving ancient climate data in its ice. Yet, it faces threats from invasive species and rapid warming. The Antarctic Peninsula is heating faster than most regions, with melting ice threatening global sea levels. Scientists warn that coastal areas could become green again, supporting limited life, but at a cost: rising seas and disrupted ecosystems. Antarctica's future is uncertain, a mirror of humanity's impact. As its ice cracks and secrets thaw, Antarctica remains Earth's last enigma. What lies beneath its frozen surface? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Past Unveiled for more videos like this.